This 2019 Keystone Montana 3121RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features a brown interior, sleeps 6, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, spare tire kit, awning, microwave, LP detector, TV, stovetop burner, external shower, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Keystone Montana 3121RL is 12,180 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.